Chris. What's going on, guys? Oh, Chris, you can step up, by the way.
What's up?
What's going on?
About to jump out of a perfectly good airplane.
Really?
Perfectly good parachute. Hopefully.
Uh-huh. Whose idea was this?
It's mine.
You're the culprit? What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm ready to go.
Yeah?
Ready to jump out that plane.
Is there any special occasion behind this skydive today?
It's birthday. 3 days.
Very, very cool. Happy birthday. How you guys feeling?
Pumped. Ready.
Not nervous at all?
I'm ready to go.
Okay.
I make cars on the daily. Yeah.
Okay, now think about what you guys are getting ready to do. For just 1 second. You guys are getting ready to jump out of an airplane from 13,000 feet above the ground for no other reason than pure enjoyment. Doesn't that sound a little odd?
I was ready to go higher. Yeah.
Me too.
I was hoping to get a little bit more.
It's all good.
Look for that zero.
That's right. You guys have any idea at all what to expect?
No.
No? Not at all? You like roller coasters?
Yes.
Nothing like it.
Let's give it better.
It's a lot better than that.
Right.
Because you're not bound or contained by any stupid little metal or wooden tracks. It's awesome. Anything you want to tell anybody before we head out?
See you later. This thing up.
All right, Roger. Let's go get some gravity.
Yeah.
We'll see you out there, Chris.
Cheers, man.
I'm scared.
You always are.
Roger said something about skydiving.
Yeah, that's what I heard too.
I'm nervous, man. I didn't know that they were actually serious about it last night at the bar.
Yeah, it sounded like a good idea at the bar, didn't it?
It sounded like a great idea, but it doesn't now.
Not so much now, huh?
No.
Yeah, well, I think we'll probably be okay.
I'll make you a deal.
What's that?
If you go, I'll go.
I'll go if Roger goes.
Roger, do we have a deal? And if he goes, I go. Sound good? All right. Bro, how you doing?
I'm doing awesome.
Yeah?
I'm ready to jump.
He said he's ready to jump. Maybe we should hook him up first. No? He came close last weekend. How you doing, Chris? You good? All right, man. Anything you want to tell anybody now? Nothing? Let's go have some fun. We'll see you outside. Let's have fun, Lance.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, bud.
Get out and take it slow.
She calls me the lion that I wear the David mask. I guess the stones are coming too fast for her now. You know I'd like to believe this nervousness will pass. All the stones that are thrown are building up a wall. I have become calm soul to this world. I have become calm soul to my girl. I'd like to believe we could reconcile the past, resurrect those bridges with ancient glance. But my old stone face can't seem to break her down. She remembers bridges, burns them to the ground. bitter taste is coming soon. No, yeah, no, no, no. No, 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 yeah. There is a balance between two worlds, one with a narrow end across. Regardless of the balance, life has become cumbersome. Too heavy, too light, too black or too white, too wrong or too right, day after night. Cumbersome. Too rich or too poor, she's wanting me less and I'm wanting her more. The bitter taste is come soon. No, yeah, no, no, no. No, 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 yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. Your life has become cumbersome. Every day is a new day. I'm thankful for every breath I take. I won't take it for granted.
Beautiful, Roger.
Awesome.
What'd you think?
That's amazing.
You can pull those goggles off. You look kind of silly there.
Bend down a little bit.
So tell me, what was your favorite part?
Just a falling.
Pretty cool, huh?
Amazing.
Is it anything like a roller coaster?
Way better.
I told you it would
Way
be.
better.
Told you.
Way better.
If you had to describe it in 3 words or less.
I don't know, just amazing.
Fan-frickin-tastic.
I mean, yeah.
Very cool,
Like it
Roger.
again.
We can arrange that. Welcome to our world, brother. Thanks for choosing Skydive Houston. Got one last shot of you and land.